This is Grant Cruz in Lake Charles, Louisiana. Hurricane Laura knocked out power for around 1 million people. Getting the lights back on for that many customers takes a lot of materials, not to mention boots on the ground and in the air.
Everything was dark, and now you see lights on, you see people moving about. That's a wonderful thing, knowing that I was able to contribute.
As power starts to return to Lake Charles, Team Oncor has marked a lot of professional milestones during this trip. As of this past Friday, a full month on site and more than 200 energy structures replaced. But our employees have also marked personal milestones.
As of today, I celebrated my 60-year birthday.
Gordon Waters took a break from sorting and tracking the poles, lines, and other materials we've brought to our Louisiana laydown yard for a birthday video call with his children and 6 grandkids.
The grandbabies are saying, "Pawpaw, where's Pawpaw?" I've been doing this for 35 years, and they know it is part of the job.
A strong work ethic and supportive family, the common thread for so many of our people.
I've been here a long time, but my family understands that when duty calls, you pack up bags and you go.
The month also marked a big first for Lance Holloman's family, as he participated in our virtual Heart Walk from base camp, while his 7-week-old grandson Parker marked his first ever Heart Walk back in Texas. With approximately 150 Oncor employees and contractors, this construction manager is leading an impressive force with a daunting mission.
We are actually working in a real-life scenario, real-life event of a black start situation in Lake Charles. They had nothing.
Poles laying on the ground, wire all over the place, all over the roads, buildings and houses just completely destroyed, quite extensive damage.
As Lance coordinates from base camp, he depends on his foremen and managers in the field, like Cliff Odom, to ensure standards and specs are followed to a T. We're replacing an 18-mile loop of 69 kV transmission line and infrastructure. Cliff is also missing family time, a grandson playing in his first high school football game later tonight. But with some of the men he supervises not much older than his grandson, Cliff understands his responsibility is not just to use his experience, but pass it on.
They don't have that ingrained culture yet. They're still learning. We're all watching each other. And we're teaching them as we go along.
And now, a month into our mission and power restored for all customers within our scope, camp is coming down and most of our crews are headed home. But as I talk with these Texans that have called Louisiana home for the last month, it becomes clear that the impact Oncor has made for this community and what we are leaving behind may only be matched by what these employees are able to bring back.
These people are hurting. They're still hurting. But there's hope, you know. We're here to serve and protect and to fellowship. That's what I believe we're here for. And it's an honor to be here.